That must have been a nightmare. Within a nightmare. In a nightmare. In a nightmare. What the fuck? I hope it's not real. Whoa. It's real. I don't know if you woke up. Fuck. But I put my phones in there, bro. Oh shit. Hey. Who the fuck? My god, like and subscribe. Where you going? I'm gonna go on my train. That's fine. But she better not. With that purple bastard better not show up again. She's back. Oh my god, what the f- Oh my god, Lily is back. She's gonna try and get me now. My train. Oh my god. Lily, you there? Oh my god, she killed them. She killed them, bro. What the fuck? Not again.
Oh, wait! I just want to play with you guys.
Please, no.
What she did? Oh my god. What the fuck is wrong with her? Where?
Don't be scared, honey. No one is going to save you from me.
I'm sorry. I won't move. I'm moving. She's fast. Okay, you are fast. Well, actually, you are kind of fast. You were fast before. Oh shit! My train, bro. Oh my god.
Come out, wherever you are.
I'm right here, dumbass. Are you fucking?
We're all alone now. Just you and me.
Oh my god.
I killed them all. And you're next, sweetie.
Save me. She's leaving the train. I'm free from this fucking nightmare. And finally get up. I just gotta pray that the plane train goes. Wait! Why am I getting up? This shit makes no fucking sense. I couldn't have just stayed on the train. Not again!
Come on, let's go for round 2. I'm loving this game.
What type of She clearly saw me going to here.
Where are you hiding? I can't find you, honey.
You're so stupid.
There you are. I win!
I'm gonna punch your face.
Why are you staring at me like that? If you think I'm a freak, I'll tear you apart.
That's what you said to me earlier.
Pay for not playing with me.
I got some spare scissors. You're stupid, you're weak, and nobody likes you.
And where do you think you're going? I told you, there is no escaping me.
Just run! If only if I stayed on that train. Leave me alone! Oh shit!
This time, there is no escape. You will play with me and be forever.
She's small. No, move inside. Move to the side, you dumbass! Move to the side. What the fuck did you decide, you dumbass? What the fuck? Are you happening? Bitch, just move the other way. Are you fucking stupid? Oh my god, he's so fucking stupid.
Need help with your WordPress site? You want to support?
What the fuck? The fuck? What's that, big lip?
I thought I'd find you.
Hiding in you.
It was another nightmare.
Follow me.
It was a nightmare. Thank fucking god. Now I'm on the camera and I'm looking at Play-Doh. Oh my god!
Find me, puppy.
What the fuck is Big Lips doing? Big Lips,
Closer, friend.
Big Lips, you got your arm back.
Find me, puppy.
Big Lips, you got your arm back. Big Lips.
Fucking idiots!
You laughing? Big Lips. Lily, you're cooked, bro, and you fucking deserve it. Why are you laughing?
What I had to.
The kid is just chilling.
They're not better place now.
Oh my god, he's running. Oh my god, Kitty. Fight him, Kitty. What the fuck? Kitty! What the fuck? Kitty, how'd you do that? Kitty, tell me. Oh my god. Kitty. Oh my god, he's cooked. Get her! Get in. Oh my god. No fucking way. Time to go underwater. How about no? Oh. Kitty! What happened to that lady you spawned? Mr. Krabs! Don't kill me, please. Alright, bye-bye, Mr. Krabs. Oh my god, finding me. Oh my god, not you again!
So much fun!
I'd rather not.
Bye!
Spare me. Why are you saying 5? I know Part Play Chapter 5 is out. But what the fuck does that have to fucking deal with what does the number 5 to deal with? Big Lips! Bigs! Big Lips, what's up, Big Lips? Why are you crawling like that? Big Lips, you just went through. What the fuck that is? Oh! What's up, Kitty again?
He's
What?
going to kill
Oh
them
my
all.
god, are you again?
Running out of time!
You're running out of time! Oh my god! Oh, what's up, Big Lips? No! Big Lips being captured! Big Lips! No!
Well, of course they
I'm flying!
Why else would they be here?
Yo, I'm flying. I'm using my hacks to.
So much fun!
Why are you big?
That's not a nice thing to say, Candy. What's a nicer way to tell a friend that they smell like gore?
What the fuck?
Maybe we could ask
You
if
shut
they
the fuck
want
up.
it tough?
Fuck the bubble.
Now, no.
But
We have to set up for the party.
oh my god, this
Can
triggers.
you be a good toy
Shut
and
the
bring me
fuck-
crumpets?
What crumpets
Oh,
in the
that's
face?
amazing! Next, we'll have to find the friends. They should be around here somewhere.
Oh my god, shut up. That actually triggers my fear for heights. What? What's that noise? Oh my god.
I'm off to prepare
I
my
fought you down.
bitches. The friends make it to the party on time.
This triggers my fear for heights. I need her to get shot in the brain. Oh my god. He is running away from the big fat chickens. Oh my gosh. Wait a second, he has Big Lips' arm. How did I don't want to. Shut the fuck up.
I almost forgot.
This is so fucking bad.
We need to make final preparations.
Now we can give back big lips and big kisses, arm back. Oh shit! What about big kiss and big lips and arm?
Nope. Oh shit!
Oh shit! What the fuck?
Okay. You're okay.
Am I running?
Just sleep.
Oh my god! It's actually following me. Fuck it. What do you sound like that?
It's Dolly Club.
Don't kill me. Don't kill me. Doing that shit, bro.
I could have sworn I heard you chitter-chattering.
No. Cool, a roller coaster. Why am I on a bicycle? Oh my god, why you again? Oh, you're floating, that's good. What the? What the? Big kiss! Kitty! Fat boy! Kitty! Ah! What the fuck? I was in his big lip! I'm in his stomach right now. No, nothing. What the fuck? Poppy! Ah! Oh my god, don't stop there. I want to keep going. We're gonna keep going. Oh my god, not hurt. What the? Who is that? What's up, guys? What the fuck? Take it. Oh, I'm dead again.